Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, our topic, which is taken from history of class 8th, the topic is women, caste and reform. क्या है हमारा आज का टॉपिक? वुमेन, कास्ट एंड रिफॉर्म। बच्चों, मैं आपको कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स बता रहा हूँ। वो मेन पॉइंट जो आप याद रखेंगे, जिससे हमारे सारे इस चैप्टर का कंसेप्शन क्लियर हो जाएगा। वो मेन पॉइंट्स क्या हैं जो आपको याद रखने हैं? पहला पॉइंट है, दिस चैप्टर इज ऑल अबाउट प्रिवेलिंग कस्टम्स इन इंडिया ड्यूरिंग 19th century. During 19th century, many social reformers came forward and denounced social evils. दूसरा पॉइंट है, सोशो रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म movements were started in 19th century in almost all the communities of Indian society. These movements attacked the supremacy of Brahmins, superstitions, and fundamentalism in religious arena. Their aim in social life was to eradicate caste system, child marriage, and other social inequalities from the society. नंबर तीसरा पॉइंट जो है वो है, राजा राम मोहन राव founded Brahmo Samaj in 1828 AD. He started a movement to eliminate sati pratha and child marriage from the society. Fame of Brahmo Samaj spread in whole of the country under the leadership of Keshav Chandra Sen. Number fourth point, these types of movements also started in other parts of the country. Prarthana Samaj was founded at Bombay in 1862 AD. Many national leaders took part in it. Jyotiba Phule played an active role in reformation of lower castes. पांचवा पॉइंट जो है वो है, आर्य समाज was founded by Swami Dayanand in 1875 AD. He raised his voice against child marriage, sati pratha, and dowry system. छठा point, in the same way, many other social reform movements started in different parts of the country to uplift the status of women and lower castes. Raja Ram Mohan Rao, Ishwar Chandra, Vidyasagar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Veer Salingam, Pantulu, पंडिता रामाबाई, श्री नारायण गुरु, ज्योतिबा फूली, B.R. Ambedkar, E.V. Ramaswamy, Naikar, Periyar were some of the important social reformers. 7वां point, society in ancient India was divided into four main castes: Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Many other castes and subcastes were originated during Rajput age, with which it became more complex. 8वां point है, Brahmanas were given the highest place in caste-based society. They were greatly respected by all, but the condition of lower castes was very petty. They were even not allowed to touch the people of higher castes. It was known as untouchability. 9वां point, caste-based difference were challenged by social reformers like Jyotiba Phule, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Periyar, Ramaswamy, and Mahatma Gandhi. They demanded rights for the lower castes. बच्चों ये थे हमारे कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स वुमेन कास्ट एंड रिफॉर्म के मुतालिक। कुछ नई टर्म्स देखते हैं बच्चों, वो टर्म आपको याद रखनी है। मैं उनको आपका सरसरी जायजा सरसरी बता रहा हूँ इधर। सती प्रथा क्या हुआ? A custom of ancient India in which widow woman was forced to sit alive on the funeral pyre of her husband. Untouchables क्या थे? People of lower castes were known as untouchables and they were not allowed to touch the people of higher castes. आर्य समाज क्या था? Reform association founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati, which supported widow remarriage. फिर है Tulna, a book published by Tarabiya Shinde of Pune, which meant a comparison between women and men. Female suffrage, the right to vote for women. Shudras, laboring castes were known as Shudras. Ati Shudras, untouchable castes were known as Ati Shudras. बच्चों ये था हमारा आज का जो टॉपिक जो हमने ख़त्म किया। इंशाल्लाह कल इसके सवालात लेकर मैं हाजिर होऊंगा। तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।